Hi everyone, excuse me, welcome to Module 4. In this module you are going to be creating a mind map and the goal of it is to strategically plan out the rest of your site. So we've got a number of projects coming up throughout the rest of the semester, and instead of just going into them one by one, I wanted you to start thinking about your site in the big picture. So I'm going to have you, you aren't going to build all of the projects in this module, but you're going to start to lay out the groundwork for how your site is going to look the rest of the way. Okay, so that is the only thing you'll have to do for this module is create a strategic planning mind map, and I'll show you the technology we'll use for that. So we've got the positive thinking and the daily tech tip as well. So I've got a little overview here. You are going to think about, plan, and organize how you're going to set up the remaining pages of your site. You're going to be creating a mind map that's going to be the organization, it's going to organize the navigation menu of your site, and I'll show you my example here in a minute. So the important thing to know is everybody's site is different, so I can't really give you a template for you want to do this and this and this, because some people are creating a business site, some people are creating a teacher site, an organization site, an informational site, so everybody's are going to be different. You're going to have to just use your creativity and the resources that I provide you in the upcoming modules to determine what is going to fit into your website best. Okay, so I've got a link here to my mind map example, and I'll open it up here. And this is a finished one. Okay, and as you can see, I've got, and let me just change this one quick. Oh no, actually I don't want to. Sorry about that. Okay. So anyways, I've got my mind map going here. In the center is going to be the title of your site. Okay, so if it's your business, your informational site, your teacher site, whatever, you want to put the title of it there. Then the next level, level 1, is going to be, and you can see them in mine, it's the navigation pages. So each of these pages when I'm finished is going to be on my website. I already have a home page, I have an about page, I have a contact page. I'll also have a packages gallery of your video page, and then I'll have social media icons as well. Now the next layer is going to be a description of what's on those pages. Okay, so the home page gives you a brief overview of what the site has to offer. It includes images relevant to this theme of the site. Okay, so I did that for each of the pages. Okay, and I'll do a short demo on how to use mind map here in a minute. So I've got the title. I've got my first layer is my navigation pages on my website. The next layer after that is my description of each page, and then the final layer, the third layer, is the different technology that I'm going to use and how I'm going to use it. Okay, and this is really where the organization and the thinking and strategizing is going to come in for your site. So on my home page I said, alright, I used my logo image editing project. I used the photo editing for my company logo. Okay, and then I've got a Canva design, QR codes, animation. All of these are projects that we're going to be creating: screencast presentation, Google Forms app, video editing, infographic. Okay, so all of those are going to be created, and I have a list of them in Blackboard that we'll take a look at. Now you might also notice that your video page has 3 different technologies on it. That's perfectly okay. Okay, you can have more than one technology on a page. That's fine. It's whatever fits your site. Okay, so this is my finished example. Please go in and take a look at that. So I've got an overview of the different layers. Okay, central bubble, first layer, second layer, third layer, and you can click on it to take a look. It's just another visual of how you want to set up your mind map. Okay. So, and then the items in the third layer. Okay, this yellow layer here, the technologies. These are the things that we're going to be doing: Google Forms, QR codes, Canva design, infographics, app design, video and animations, and screencast presentation, and the modules that you're going to see them in. Okay, so read through these descriptions, and that'll help you determine how you're going to fill in these sections here. Okay, this third layer of sections. Okay, so that's really this is such a critical step in your website design. You want to make sure that you plan it, you think about it, so that when it comes time to build the separate projects, you don't have to worry about your navigation or where does this fit in. You'll already know ahead of time because you'll have it laid out. Okay, so I'm going to create another video to show you how to create your mind map and also how to submit it. Now after that, I do have that volunteer opportunity for you again. It's coming up in about a month and a half here, so if you're interested in volunteering, you need volunteer hours for honors college or sorority, fraternity, or parole, I don't know, whatever you need volunteer hours for. Take a look at the details here, and then I have a registration form if you're interested in volunteering. Okay? So other than that, I am going to create a second part on how to use the mind map software. Thank you.